Once as your machine is deployed and you are ready to go inside the basket, make sure that your drive control is all the way forward so the jib does not come in contact with your drive controls. Make sure that your selector switch for ground and basket mode is in basket mode. There is a little tab here so you can lock it out if you need to. If you need to level your basket, if your basket for whatever reason has tilted forward or up too much, simply take your handle, comes extra on the side of the machine, insert it into the basket leveling control, and then you can either tilt your basket up or down. Do make sure that your selector handle down here is in ground control in order for this procedure to work. This is the basket controls for your 1890. From left to right we have jib, telescope, upper boom up and down, scissors, and turret rotation. Here we have the reset button. Now this button, if you reach the limit of your telescope with too much weight, you do have to push and hold this button in order for your machine to go all the way back in, otherwise it locks you out. Down here we have our controls for the machine. This selector switch changes from your engine, your Honda engine, to your electric engine. Keep in mind with your electric engine, this is only a backup electric hydraulic pump and it does have to be plugged in to work. This is your engine start, your choke. This green light means your machine is fully stowed. This is your limit light that you need to push your reset button for if you get this light on. And this is your message error code light. And this is your emergency stop button, which you push to engage and twist to disengage. Standard 1890s come with a basket electrical outlet. You do have to plug this in order for the machine to work. It also comes with 2 extra hydraulic hoses. Now these markings are air and water, but they can both be air, they can both be water or hydraulic. They go throughout internally inside the boom sections, all the way down to the bottom of the machine. Also, this machine is equipped with a backup electric hydraulic pump. This pump is an extra pump for the machine to operate. Do keep in mind this pump does have to be plugged in to a wall outlet in order for it to work. It will not work off of the engine.